Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the English to Fluency podcast. I'm Susan, and I'm so happy you are here today. In this episode, I will share 10 easy tips to help you speak English better. These are simple, small things that you can do every day, even for just a few minutes. So, if you want to feel more confident when you speak English, stay with me until the end. And don't forget, if you enjoy this podcast, please follow or subscribe. It really helps this show reach more English learners like you. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Before we start, I want to tell you something. When I started learning French, I was very shy. I could read and understand a little, but speaking was so hard for me. I made many mistakes, and sometimes people didn't understand me. But I didn't stop. I practiced every day, just a little. And after some time, it became easier. So I understand how you feel. You can do this too. Okay, now let's go through 10 simple tips to help you speak English with confidence. The first tip is listen every day. When you listen to English often, your ears learn the sounds of English words. Listen to short podcasts, songs, or easy videos. You can listen while you walk, clean, or cook. Even 10 minutes a day helps. Listening helps you understand how people speak, and soon you can copy them. The second tip is speak a little every day. You don't need to wait for perfect English. You can start now, today. Talk to yourself, talk to your pet, or talk in front of a mirror. Say what you are doing. I'm making tea. I'm reading a book. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Tip number 3, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. They show that you are learning and trying. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So when you make one, just smile and keep talking. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Tip number 4, think in English. Don't always translate from your language. Try to think directly in English. Start small. For example, say in your head, I am walking. I am eating. I am happy. When you think in English, speaking becomes faster and more natural. Tip number 5, learn short phrases, not only words. Words are important, but phrases are more useful. For example, instead of learning just how, learn, "How are you today?" Instead of learning, "Please," learn, "Can I have some water, please?" When you know phrases, you can speak more naturally and easily. Tip number 6. Use English in your daily life. You can use English anywhere, not just in class. Put small labels on things in your home. Write door, window, mirror, or table. When you look at them, say the word in English. You can also write your shopping list in English or talk to yourself while cooking. These little actions help your brain think in English all the time. Tip number 7. Watch movies or shows in English. Choose something you enjoy. A short TV show, a cartoon, or a movie. Start with English subtitles. Listen carefully and repeat short lines after the actors. For example, if a character says, "Good morning, how are you?" you can pause and repeat, "Good morning, how are you?" It's a fun way to practice pronunciation and rhythm. Tip number 8. Find a speaking partner. It can be a friend who is also learning English or someone online. You don't have to speak for hours. Even 5 minutes is good. You can talk about your day, your hobbies, or what you like to eat. Speaking with others helps you practice real conversations, and it makes learning more fun. Tip number 9. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Repetition is the key to learning any language. Say the same phrases many times until they feel easy. For example, practice this line: "I am learning English every day." Say it slowly, then again faster. "I am learning English every day." Your mouth and brain will start to remember the sound. And finally, tip number 10. Be confident. Don't be shy. Smile and speak slowly. You are learning, and that's something to be proud of. You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to communicate and enjoy the process. Every time you speak English, you get better. So, believe in yourself. Now, let's practice together. I'll say a short sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I enjoy speaking English. Great job! You did it! Say these sentences every day. They will help you feel strong and confident when you speak. Let's quickly review the 10 tips before we finish. Listen every day. Speak a little every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Think in English. Learn short phrases. Use English in your daily life. Watch movies or shows in English. Find a speaking partner. Repeat often. be confident. These are simple tips, but if you use them, they can really change your English. Remember, learning English is a journey. You don't have to be perfect. Just take small steps every day and you will see progress. Thank you so much for listening to the English to Fluency podcast. I'm so happy to share this time with you. If you liked this episode, please subscribe and share it with a friend who is also learning English. And tell me, which tip will you try first? You can write your answer in the comments or say it out loud right now. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, you can do this. See you soon, my friends.